guys, welcome back to another video. We are on our way to do some inspections. Looking back, it's already been nearly 9 months of me being here in Melbourne. Time really do be flying. We just finished inspecting place number 2. So to be fair, I'm not actually in a hurry to move out. Like it would be ideal, but I don't have a deadline to move out, which is actually quite nice, I've realised. So today's a Saturday. I'm still like waking up. On the way here, I was literally falling asleep while driving. Well, not really, but like I was just like, it's a weekend. Why am I awake already? Like this feels like a weekday kind of vibe. But anyhow, so went for inspection 2 days ago somewhere else as well, except that place is a bit different. It's in quite a nice modern apartment, and I would have a roommate who's I think around my age. I don't really know, she might be younger than me. So I've only got 2 places on the list at the moment that I'm like really interested in. I haven't applied like far and wide or anything like that, just because I kind of want to pick a place that I would really like. So cute. So another side note, I swear people in Melbourne have the coolest dogs. Like they have very cool dogs that I just haven't seen before. Like I think in Queensland or Gold Coast, everyone has sort of the same kind of doggos. Whereas here, everyone looks so I see a new dog, like a different breed each time. And I'm like, I didn't know you existed. But anyways, so this place that I've just been to is a individual place on its own. And it's not super big. So I would be paying a bit more than if I were to be sharing. I think before I came to this one, I was pretty set on the apartment building. But now I've come to this one. But yeah, I think either options would be amazing. They would definitely be kind of different though in terms of how I approach how to live there. Like be a different situation. Now I'm just gonna go back home and grab a few of my stuff and then make my way across town. There's a few things I want to do this weekend, so I'll take you guys along with me. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye! Today's little outfit of the day. Super simple, just had lunch. So for a bit of context regarding why I was looking to move, I had been at my current place for about 9 months at that point, and I was living in a house which I found through flatmates.com, which also meant that they were quite flexible. Did kind of want to try an apartment, and I also wanted to be a bit more central, so I was looking around this suburb that it would be quite fun to be there since there's a lot of hustle and bustle, but at the same time it was close-ish to work still, which is ideal. I'm not sure what other people's experiences are with living with their landlords, but For me, it kind of felt like I didn't really move out in a sense, which I didn't really notice until I actually started looking, and it was almost like a turning point where when I set my mind to it, there was just no going back. Sometimes I don't have as much self-awareness, and so you could be feeling a certain way, but because it's not impactful enough, you can't really put a finger on it until you come to terms with it. Like now you know, and you can never go back. I think as I inspected more places, the more excited I got about the different possibilities, and I can definitely see the appeal in people moving from place to place every couple of years or so. Like I could definitely see that as just like experiencing a different kind of lifestyle. If, you know, as long as everything goes to plan, we're gonna cross our fingers, cross our toes, and hope for the best. Hello guys, it's Sunday morning. We are on our way to Chooka's, so we're in Brunswick, and it's looking super uber cute. But there's a pretty long line actually. Apple cider vinegar.
In a bad way?
It's very acidic. But it's like an appetite stimulant.
Ah, yeah. The sesame latte. Oh, it's quite nice. It's like milk and sesame. Like 7, 8 out of 10.
Oh, that's quite good.
I love.
So we got somen noodles. This is the
This is a bonito.
bonito. We got the oh no, my ginger pork. And then I've got eggs. And then we've got salmon. Oh my god. How is it?
Very good.
I think my noodles kind of like breaking apart.
They've been soaking a while.
Yeah, I think it's a little like but it's still nice though. The flavor itself is nice. The egg is really good.
By itself, it's really good. Bit of a starving bias though. But very good. You can taste
The marinade.
This is good as well. I love this one.
This is really yummy. The yuzu in this, I can taste the spiciness. Just really the onigiri on this, right? Oh my god, Chooka is out. It's Chooka. Oh my god, she's going to the people. He's so cute. Right, that's enough of me for today. Thanks everyone for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one. If you haven't subscribed already, join the family. We recently hit 100 subs, so that's a milestone. Alright, see you guys next time.